lots of sport or lot of sports?
You have to use a lot of sports or lots of sports. Yes. The more formal one is a lot of sports. So here we
Okay.
can place an S.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on to the next one.
The number of students are going.
No, read the full sentence.
Okay, the number of students going to higher education have increased. Has increased,
Why?
not have increased.
Why?
Because there is a plural terminology, students, and
Hmm.
number means countable using have.
Your answer is
No?
correct, but your explanation is wrong.
Okay.
The
The number of
subject,
students,
yes, the
because the
subject,
number is countable.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Number is singular. Number is one. Although
Hmm.
number of XYZ things, the number have increased, wrong grammar. The number has increased. But had it been students going to higher education have increased, had that been correct?
So remember one second.
Let's say this.
What not?
Let's say the sentence becomes students going for higher education have
Then
increased.
it should be have.
Yeah,
Because now students are plural.
absolutely correct. Very good. Very good. That's what I wanted to check. Okay. Let's come to this next exercise, and this is also of subject verb agreement only. This is a very simple
Okay.
one. Let's take a look.
New technology allows us to analyze the data in seconds.
Yes. So technology is singular. We will have
Singular verb,
allows.
so allows.
Very good.
Older people often older people often eat
Often.
less often.
Oh,
Okay.
awesome.
Older people often means sometimes.
Yes.
They eat less and need less sleep.
Hmm. So will
Older
you
people.
make it eats and needs or let it be as eat and need?
For me, like older people is about the singular terminology,
Hmm.
but older people.
No,
Uh,
people. People. Older is an adjective. Forget about older. Older or younger
okay.
or whatever. Hmm. Take a look at
People is
people.
many
Yeah.
many things, na?
Yeah.
So eat.
Eat is
I think
correct.
eat often
Yes.
eat less and need less sleep.
Absolutely right. Yes.
Advances in medicines. Advances in medicines
It's medicine only.
means
Okay.
because medicine is one umbrella. Medicine means that
Okay. Okay.
medicine mean
What
that
is the
people are
subject?
living longer.
What is the
Mean
subject? No, what is being
it's
discussed here? What are we talking about in this sentence?
about medicines.
No, we are not talking about medicines. We are talking about advances.
Advances. Okay.
Advances means something innovative happening in the field of medicine. Okay? So,
Okay. Then it
advance,
should be mean.
yeah, that you have to check. What is the subject? If the subject is plural, there will be
Then
no S or ES.
okay.
If the subject is singular, there will be
Then
an
it
S
should
or
be S or ES.
yes, 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 yes. Okay, next one.
Access to clean drinking water be a
Now,
basic human right.
now B is a larger term. You have to use the form of B. Now, what are the different forms of B? B has many forms like is, am, are, was, were. So, which form are you going to use here?
Access to clean drinking water is a basic human right.
Absolutely correct. Is the correct answer. Yes. Next one.
Mobile phones has changed the way we communicate. Has
Has. Why has?
because it's mobile phones. Yes.
Yeah. So there is a slight different rule if we have or has or is or are. If it is singular, we will use has. If it is plural, we will use have only. Will you say mobile
Yeah,
phones?
yeah, right. For plural, we have.
Yes.
So mobile phones have changed.
Yes, it is going to be the same word, right? Mobile phones have changed the way we communicate. Okay, now this is a small task written by a student. Let's see if we are able to correct some mistakes. And in total, there are about 8 mistakes that you have to find. Some of them might not be subject verb agreement. So let's see if you're able to find all of them.
It is clear that living in a foreign country have its own
Mhm.
drawbacks,
Hmm.
have its own drawback, not s.
Right.
And the social problems is is language barrier and lack of cultural awarenesses. No, cultural awareness,
No, it is
which
awareness only that's written, not awarenesses. The spelling is
okay,
correct.
awareness. Okay, and lack of cultural awareness, which influence the behavior of people.
Mhm.
If there is a spelling mistake of behavior,
Absolutely right. Good. So, what should be the correct spelling?
mm, let me write because
Yeah, yeah, no
it is
worries.
remembered by
It's
my
okay. It's
hand
okay.
only. It's Behaviour.
Ah,
I always I always write
yeah, yeah, yeah. That
it's
happens. Okay, so you're right. You
B
found one
E
mistake.
yeah,
Good.
and behavior the social problems. It's a social problems are language barrier and
Why?
or is language
No,
barrier
you have to tell
and lack
me
of cultural
why.
awareness.
What, and why? So, is it going to be is language barrier and cultural awareness, or are language barrier and lack of cultural awareness?
For me, social problems are language barrier and lack of cultural awareness.
Okay, and why is that?
Because they are talking about the multiple problems of social.
Absolutely right. Very
Yeah.
good. When it is a single problem, then we use is, and when there
Yes,
are
but
multiple
there's
or
a
more
multiple
than
problem.
single, then it is are. Very good.
Yeah. Then an individual who come to the country from another place might make because his actions is offensive in that culture.
Mhm.
An individual who come to the country from another places.
No, another places is not wrong. It is correct. An other
Okay.
place. It's correct.
And another place or other place both are same.
It could
Might
have been
might
other
make
places, but not another places. Another is only singular. Another place.
an individual who come to the country from another place might make
Mhm.
local people angry.
Right.
Might make because of his actions.
Okay.
Because of their actions.
No, 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 no. Because it
Because
is.
of his action, because uh, people there are many people,
Hmm.
so
But we are talking about not many people. We are talking about an individual, na? So for an individual, it is still okay. His actions, it's still okay.
because his actions are offensive in that culture.
Yeah, that's the mistake. Yes.
Yeah,
So actions, it's plural. So are is going to come instead of is. Are offensive in that culture. Yes,
culture.
right?
It
Okay.
is it is an important to remember that
It is an important to remember. No.
it is important is also true. It is
Yes.
important to remember that every country have different customs.
Mm-hmm.
But country is a singular
Mm.
and we are using has.
Yes. So
Every
that's
country
another.
has different customs,
Correct. Correct. Another mistake you
has
found.
different custom.
Yes. Correct. You have found one, two, three, four mistakes.
But there is 8 mistake.
Disney, there are 8 mistakes.
There are 8 mistakes.
Yes. So if you feel that there are still more mistakes, you can go back to the text and see. Now let's
Okay.
analyze this for second sentence.
Social problems are language barrier and lack of cultural awareness,
तो what is
which
the subject in this line? Subject क्या है? What is being discussed here? What is the
social
subject?
problems.
Social problems है ना? So is it
Hmm.
singular or plural?
It's a plural.
Plural.
Plural. Yeah.
So, if you read the next part of the sentence, it says which influences the behavior of people. Social problems influences the behavior of people. Do you find it different or correct?
So it is influence,
Yeah.
which influence the behavior
Yeah.
of
So that's another mistake. Okay. Now,
Hmm.
let's read this one. An individual. Is it singular or plural?
Singular.
Singular. So who comes will be correct or there will be some other thing?
Who comes?
Yeah. So this is one more mistake, right? An individual who comes to the country from another
From
place
another
might
place
make
might
local
make
people angry.
local people angry because his actions are offensive in that culture.
Correct. Let's see how many mistakes have we found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We still have two more mistakes. Take a look. What is the subject? It is clear that living in a foreign country have its own drawbacks.
So drawbacks is plural, so have, okay, fine.
No,
But
you don't compare the verb with the object.
yeah,
No.
we are saying about the foreign country.
Yeah,
So it's a
living.
singular.
Living,
Then you
living.
have to use has.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
The foreign country has its own drawbacks.
Yes. Now, there is again one more mistake that might you might
It
not
is it is a clear that, or
No, this is correct. This is correct. The
it is
mistake,
clear that living in a
yeah,
foreign country
has its the mistake is with this word. What do you think this means?
it is good,
Now, what is
has
this?
it since it is.
It is, है ना? It is.
Mhm.
So, living in a foreign country have its own drawbacks. Is this correct?
No.
No. What should have been here?
A foreign country has.
It's this one.
Okay, there
Without
is
a
no
comma,
comma.
without an apostrophe. This is actually not a comma, it is called apostrophe. The moment an apostrophe is placed between T and S, it becomes a contraction. And contraction means it and is. However, this should have been its, no apostrophe in between, and this means uska. It is a possession, it is a possessive thing that we are talking about. So, uske apne drawbacks hote hain. It has its own drawbacks. So, this small comma, this small apostrophe is making it a mistake. If you're still confused with the difference between its with an apostrophe and its without an apostrophe, try forming one sentence with both of the words. Can you frame one sentence with it apostrophe s? It's
Yeah, for first sentence, it is clear that we can use also. It's
correct. You can
clear
say
that.
it's clear that. Excellent. Now,
Yeah.
what about this? Can you frame another sentence with it's?
It's like it's animal
Yeah,
or
yeah, it can be used with
animal
animal.
has its own freedom. This kind of
Yeah,
thing.
excellent. Animal has its own freedom. Or the animal has its own way
Its
of
own
showing
freedom.
affection. Right? Very good. So it's this means possession and this means contraction. So you don't have to put an apostrophe in this.